What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get new mascots in NBA 2K26. So in current season there are 3 mascots available, 2 are paid and 1 mascot is free. And to get that, firstly we need to open our main menu, then go to the seasons tab and open season rewards. You can get the first mascot by reaching the level 12 on your season pass. So as you can see, this is the first mascot, but it can only be unlocked if you have premium pass. And to get premium pass, you need to pay $10, then you will be able to access the premium pass unlockables. Now the second mascot is free. For that we just have to reach level 19 and then we'll be able to get this Rocky Denver Nuggets mascot. So this is the free one, you don't need to pay anything, you can just claim it after you reach level 19. Now the last mascot can be unlocked when you reach level 30 on your premium pass. So you can see Minnesota mascot is the last one. So these are the 3 mascots you can unlock in your game. You just have to grind on your pass and then you will be able to claim all these mascots. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.